Since Da Vinci first drew plans for his aerial screw, the design of a working vehicle that can take to the air vertically has challenged engineers across the world.
The vision has long been to take commuters on short hops high above the congestion of the cities in clean energy VTOL, that's vertical takeoff and landing, shuttles and taxis. Now that dream is becoming reality, and the race is on to be the first to launch.
Today, vertical takeoff and landing technology is not only being used by the military, but is also set to revolutionize passenger transport.
Rival companies in America, Europe and China are competing to be the first to develop aerial passenger taxis. The man hoping it will once again be Britain that leads the way is entrepreneur Martin Warner, and this is the full-size prototype of his vision.
Martin, great to meet you. Tell me about this vision behind you.
We embarked on this journey to figure out, could we offer an alternative for short-range transportation for cities? They call it urban air mobility. The only reasonable approach that can be for mainstream consumers, sort of price of a first-class train ticket or a high-end Uber fare, was to think about something that was clean, easy to manufacture and reliable.
How does this work?
We power it with lithium-ion batteries. It's a rotary-based aircraft. This one in particular that you see behind you is 6 rotors, 6 motors. It will work using this eVTOL concept of being electrically powered, vertically taking off, converting through transition into forward flight mode, and then landing vertically as well. It will be piloted, and then eventually we imagine it will be autonomous. That technology is here today.
When we're talking about road vehicles, you get traffic, you get vehicles bumper to bumper. You can't have that with these. There must be a limit to how many of these you can put in the sky.
First of all, we're not going to be dealing with thousands and thousands of these, but what we could quite easily see is 100, 200 of these in the air. There is a lot of space up there. They'll fly at different flight levels, and there'll be flight separation, both horizontally on tracks and vertically. But you'll be amazed at how many aircraft you could put in the sky.
60 years ago, the SC-1 was a shiny vision of the future developed in what was known as the Thunderbird era of aviation. Now in our towns and cities, this could finally make the sci-fi Sky Shuttle a science fact.